Is KeePassXC not opening on your computer? This issue can happen because of corrupted settings, incomplete updates, permission problems, or conflicts with other software. In this guide, I'll show you several effective ways to fix KeePassXC not opening on Windows 11. Let's get started. First, restart your computer and try opening KeePassXC again. A simple restart can close background processes and resolve temporary software issues that may prevent the application from launching. Next, right-click the KeePassXC shortcut and choose Run as Administrator. If the application opens successfully, the issue may be related to Windows permissions or restricted access. If KeePassXC still won't open, its configuration files may be corrupted. Close the application if it's running in the background, then locate the KeePassXC configuration folder and temporarily rename the configuration file or folder. When KeePassXC starts again, it will create a fresh configuration automatically. If the problem continues, uninstall KeePassXC from Windows Settings, then download the latest version from the official KeePassXC website and install it again. Reinstalling replaces damaged application files without affecting your password database, as long as your database file is stored safely. Finally, make sure your antivirus or Windows security isn't preventing KeePassXC from running. If necessary, temporarily review your security software's protection history or allow KeePassXC if it has been blocked. After making changes, try opening the application again. And that's how to fix KeePassXC not opening. By restarting your computer, checking permissions, resetting configuration files, reinstalling the application, and reviewing your security settings, you can solve most startup problems quickly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.